All right, it's a blustery cold day and we're gonna talk to my latest tenant, CrossFit. Oh, son, I didn't know you were filming. All right, so we're at CrossFit. This here is Scott, my new tenant, and he has got a beautiful facility. So Scott, how long have you been doing this?
This is actually coming up on our 14th year of business.
Wow, that's a while.
Yeah, it's been pretty interesting. We were at our old location for 13 years. Just moved right up the street. It's been great.
Yeah, and I actually have regrets because I actually met Scott kind of sort of 2 years before this because I was looking at buying that building that he was in previously. And I had it and I let it go and I shouldn't have. Now, a year or two later, he needed space and I said, here, come to my place down the street. So now he's here. I see you got kettlebells, got the medicine balls, which is funny enough, one of my employees owns Dynamax. He sold it actually. He was working for me for 15, 20 bucks an hour and now he's a millionaire off that. Does everybody come here after work or when do you do the bulk of your business?
So our busiest hours are at like 5 o'clock on. We wrap everything up here around 8:30 at night. We do have people that work out like early morning, but even those classes are a little bit smaller. The workouts are different every day. We run shuttle runs in here, a lot of weightlifting. Some days it'll be a combination of weightlifting, pull-up work, different strength work. Some days it'll be the rowers, some days it'll be the bikes. We keep it always mixed up. It's different every day.
That's neat. I've seen some of the people looking pretty fit coming in and out of here. So.
Yeah.
Well, let's talk about this event you want to do.
Okay, my old roommate, his brother owns a wrestling federation in Houston, and they're real big. So like WWE.
The show guys, yeah.
Okay. These guys.
So you have amateurs wrestling?
Yes, it's amateur wrestling. And he goes, okay, so we're coming out right now. We've got so-and-so. And they're really good. Like, they were really athletic. It was really well done.
Interesting. I'll look at it a little bit closer. Very cool. You can talk about it, get a dialogue going with him, and see. Because that's all I worry about is, and whenever a tenant within a building or a premises that has an event, you got to think about how it impacts everybody else. I had one of my smallest tenants in a building up the street that I own, tattoo. He had some like $5 tattoo. I mean, nobody could even get in and out of the parking lot. And it was really upsetting to the people that waiting for customers that are paying. So I gotta watch out for that stuff.
That if we throw a wrench in it and it pisses people off, it'll be the last event we do.
Yeah.
If we make it to where everybody wins, then it's something that is...
Events in food parks, there's something to it. There's people that actually schedule to have like art festival within the food park and this, that, and the other. And I don't know the exact results because I haven't played with it much, but I'm open to hear about it. They've had a comedy night here. They've done a couple things and it supposedly went over pretty well.
And I think that's the beauty of this.
Yeah, it's a cool vibe here. I like it a lot. Yeah.
It is, and everybody we've met so far has been nothing but super nice.
Yeah. Got a lot of Indian food here now too.
Yeah.
Which I'm a fan of. Kind of like the Muscle Beach thing in Venice, but it'll be out here at the food park.
Right.
So very cool. I think it's a good idea.
Yeah.
Well, man, thanks. I appreciate your business. I like that you're here and I like what you're doing. So
awesome.
We'll try to make that other thing work.
Cool.
All right. So, hey, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. We're going to learn how to make millions of dollars in real estate. I've made tens of millions over my lifetime and I'm showing people how to do it. Get in my free webinar. I have it every Thursday, 7 p.m. Central. Go to the link below, FlipAnythingUSA.com/webinar. Sign up for it. You can talk to me face to face if you want. Don't waste any time. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. You don't want to miss my channel. I've been doing it for years.